I want to just kind of talk about Tesla and what's going on there today. So obviously we have this meeting outstanding and they're going to vote on the stock split. I mean, that's obviously front and center. They're voting on a 3-for-1 stock split. Look, if you want my opinion, if they do this, if they vote that way, the stock's probably going to go up. I take a caveat to this, just a disclaimer. I am long stock and long calls going into this, and I'm about break even on the stock and down in the calls right here. I own the 950s for tomorrow. I took a flyer, but I think it's going to work. But we'll see how that goes. But let's get into what I think is really important here. Ahead of this meeting, there is the S&P analyst that is saying that Tesla is set to shed its junk bond stigma. Now, going long term, this is much better than a stock split, right? The stock split really does nothing for the stock. But if the investment grade gets in there, then all their bond offerings are done at a different coupon, meaning a better yield. A better yield means more earnings. More earnings means the stock goes a lot higher. So why I like the idea of being long this, and I like the idea of the pop, if they do the 3-for-1, if they don't, it probably doesn't pop on something like this. But I really like this. But for tomorrow, I'm just going to give you a couple levels to watch. You can obviously see that 955 level. That's kind of where I think we're going to land first. But then second, if you can get through that, you can get up to this 1,000. You can get up to the top of that bear flag. And let's just double check that bear flag without the pre and the post on. And you can see where we're at. So I really like this trade still. And it's something we've been screwing around with in the trading room for a little bit. But I think that you have to look at it and say, okay, well, what are the issues been? Well, the issues have been these wicks, right? Like they're really playing with us and they're making the trade a little bit harder. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.